birds are coming to town.
When?
Like, real soon.
Oh, they just went on tour.
Yeah,
They
dude.
just went on tour.
And their new album dropped? Oh my god, it's a banger.
This just in. The birds are in town. Stay in your homes. The birds are attacking.
Dude, I used to love the birds, but now we have to mess them up.
Dude, that's not cool.
We can't let them do this to anyone else.
Dude, it's unacceptable.
Let's go.
Dude, let's go get it. Let's go. Dude. Yeah, dude, the birds are in town and, like, I need your help.
Oh, am I in? I'm in.
Yeah, we're gonna need artillery, all the hands on deck we can get. These guys are pretty nasty.
Yeah, dude, I'm in.
Yeah, sure, I'll come.
Yeah, I'm in.
I'm on my way already.
Hey. Oh, yeah, I'm totally in.
Masking the truth just to get there first. Too much effort for the desired work, and at the end of this time, I know you're coming back to me. It's uncertain, all there's left to do is wait and see. You told me it would be alright, satisfied, and I might have wasted all my time. The bigger you are, the harder they fall, resisting the temptation of it all, to come freaking back, to wrestle with facts, but now you're outnumbered, darling. The bigger you are, the harder they fall, resisting the temptation of it all, to come swinging back, to wrestle with facts, but now you're outnumbered, darling. Making a scene just to find the truth, building your lies into a house with no roof, and at the end of this time, I will regret that weekend.
Yo, we murked those guys.
We took care of business, man.
They'll never cause trouble again in this town.
Yo, they're not gonna mess with anyone else again.
Yep. We messed them up. Wait, dude, listen.
Roger McGinn will be on tour. A tribute concert for his dead bandmates, recently killed by a group of hoodlums.
There's one still out there.
Not
We
again.
gotta go do this.
Just lit these cigarettes.
It's a bloodhead! You jump, son! You jump! Open the door! Get in the door! Get in the door! Get in the door! Go!
Dude, I remember my days back in World War II when I had to fight Nazis back in Germany.
I was in World War II.
Shut up! Alright.
Why'd you do it, man? Huh?
Why?
Millions of fans, dude. Millions.
People
Giving
dead.
it all away. You're giving it
Why?
all away.
I don't know, man. I don't even know what you're talking about. I have no clue.
Yo, what happened?
The birds are attacking.
No, no.
Birds!